Welcome back, Leviathan Race. My name is Alexander Leviathan, and we are back with another journey together. Oh yeah, I am your Pokemon champion. And if you haven't seen my pull count so far, well, here we go. We have Zoroark EX, beautiful. We have Hop Zacian EX, beautiful. We have Lily's Rillaby, full art, I guess, EX? No, it's just full art straight up. That's tough. Yes, so that is a pull count so far. In addition to a bunch of trainer cards, holo trainer cards, trainer Pokemon. Of course, that's what we're here for. We're here for the journey together. So, let me open this joint. Excalibur on deck, of course. Let me just peel this thing back and see if I can come up and my luck could be a little more. Let's see if we can continue my luck. Put it like that. Here we are. We start with Ayano and what is this thing called? Bellibolt? Ayana and Bellibolt. Here we go. Let's go. Pack trash. Go card. Let's go. Woo! Pikachu. Thunderbolt. Bagon. Wingull. Fake Pikachu. Scrovit. Articuno. Postwick. Cloft. Instar Manitan. Lombre. And Volcanion EX. So here we go. Impact with Zoroark on it. Come on. The booster of bundles. Here we go. That's your card. Here we go. Evil Energy. Remoraid. Carablast. Kecleon. Torchic. Excavalier. Brock Scouting. Volcarona. Shelgon. Hops Wooloo full art. Oh yes, another full art. Let's go. Yes. And the hits don't stop. Oh, very good. Very, very good. There we go. Okay. Keep it going. Keep it going, Hop. Hop has just been jumping out the gym today. Hop has been jumping out the gym today, baby. Here we go. Third Eye Energy. Why? Because I see it all. Parasect. Milcery. Wooper. Paldean Style. Impede. Levicidia. Super Potion. Hop's Corvxnite. Demise. Hop Silk Cobra. And a Ludicolo. We are halfway through the opening. Halfway through the opening dance. That is the end of the halftime dance. Lily pack. Let me grab the Lily card. Let me see a full art Lily. Here we go. Let's see if I could just dab some of that luck. Because getting that card was very lucky. Getting that card was very lucky. Got it with all bulk. All bulk. It was amazing. Here we go. Hitmonchan. Mach Punch. Ayano's Watcho. Squawkability. Insclaim. Ferret. Marowak. Alonian Style. Blazing. Virizion. Hops Doublewood. Iris's Fighting Spirits. And a full art Volcarona. This is pretty cool too. I'm not getting any doubles. That's awesome. I love when that happens. I love when that happens. Just give me everything that I'm looking for, please. Pack trash. Go card. Here we go. Third Eye Energy. Why? Because I see it all. Oricorio. Ends Purloin. Professor's Research. Professor Seda. Professor Seda is my favorite professor. Lily's Cutie Fly. Ruffian. Senshino, Maractus, Wellord, Greedent, and Lily's Ribbon Bee, the Hollow. So I got the full art, now I have the Hollow to go with it. And here we go, last pack, Lily pack. Let me just see if I can get some luck on that. Let me see if I can get some luck on that. Come on. Come on. Pack trash. Go card. Let's go. Hitmonchan. Mach Punch, if you will, please. Geodude. Alolan style. Audino? Lily's Comfy. I'm getting a lot of Lily cards too. Century. Redeemable Ticket You. Spiky Energy. Accelerate. Iono's Voltorb. Combuskin. And Butterfree. I was going to say Beautyfly. Butterfree. So Butterfree to close it out. I pulled this beautiful Hops Wooloo full art, so that's pretty good. Not to mention this Volcanion EX, so that was a pretty good box too. One booster bundle box left to open. Then I got some packs, and we are going in on Journey together. My name is Alexander Leviathan, and I am your Pokémon World Champion. And I hope to see you again for more. We return for more. If you like the video, Another pull. 3 videos in a row, pull after pull after pull. Why won't you like it? So like it. Comment how hyped you is for the pull. Hype in the comments. Hop in the comment section and put hype for the pulls. Let's go. And please, if you want to show someone on social media what I pulled, please share the video. I'd appreciate that. I see how many people we can get to watch this video. Thank you. And I will see you in the next one.